welcome back to another market review live on our YouTube channel, FX Media Forex Academy. All right, so if you're just joining in, click the subscription button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any video from us. All right, so I had to put this together because I may not have the time to actually stream live, so I just put it together so you guys don't miss anything for this week. I want you guys to make money. This is the second month of the year 2025. Okay, so I don't want you guys to not make a lot of money for this year. Okay, so sorry about the breaks that's been happening. All right, so the year has already kicked off in the second month, as I said. So you need to start making a lot of money for yourself. We were able to make a lot of millionaires last year, last 2 years. Yeah, so this year we're increasing that. All what you need to do is to follow FX Media, and that is it. Any instruction I give to you, you just follow up. It's for your own good. All right. So yeah, if you don't have any broker using, or even if you're using a broker, you should use 10trade broker. All right. You go to www.10trade.com, register, use the promo code FSMedia28 to register. Yeah, that will give you an opportunity to be part of our VIP signal room. All right. So people pay for VIP signal, but in FX Media, you don't need to subscribe. Just do as I said. Once you register, you fund your account or purchase any funded account and you start trading with us. Just send us proof and then you get the link to the Telegram group. All right, so let's dive right into what we came here for. So we're looking at two pairs. You know, my favorite pair, which is GBPJPY. So has been very, very profitable. We're able to make a couple of dollars from GBPJPY. Yes. All right, so we're going to look at the overall trend of the market, what GBPJPY has been doing. GBPJPY has been on a downtrend since, yeah. So what do you think? What are we expecting? What do you think the market is going to react to? So we go to the daily time frame and see what's up. And yeah, you know, like I said, I don't leave my histories. So as to help you guys have been following us through, understand better what we're doing, where we lost, where we make money. Okay. So far so good in daily time frame. We have a market ranging in this direction like this. Okay. And in the past 1 week, we had market sell from here down to this zone. Okay, so what do you think market is going to do? What are we expecting? We go down to 4 hours time frame. Now, always remember that you don't rush the market, okay? You don't rush the market. You wait for the market to come to you before you take your trade. So you don't, trading is 90% within 10% execution. All right. You may have a fantastic strategy, but you can be impatient and you still lose a lot of money. Yeah, trading is simple. Yeah, no joke. As long as you go through the right direction, you have access to the right lessons. And if you're looking for where to get the right knowledge, you can enroll in our academy. All right. So the March batch is already starting. So people are already coming in registering. So you can register to begin the March batch with us. All right. So for further information, you send me a message on any of our social media platforms out there. All right. Or you chat me on WhatsApp. So guys, we continue. Now we have an interesting zone right here. And if we look very well in this zone, we had markets break here. We had a break of structure here. Then markets formed a left shoulder, a right shoulder, and a head. That's reversal, head and shoulder reversal pattern. All right. So it reversed up to this zone and rejected down to this place. So we're expecting market to what? Push up backward. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, so we have a break here. A break. So market could start retracing back up. You could start retracing back up to this place, or it can decide to do this. Come down, create another break, and push upward like this. So that's what I'm looking at, looking out for the market to do. Remember that we only speculate. We are not the market makers. So for every trade we take, we apply proper risk management. For the fact that this is what I'm looking at doesn't mean that it will play 100%. Okay, so we just apply proper risk management, wait for our confirmations, and we take our trade. So this is what I'm looking out for. If market opens by tomorrow and we have something different, what do? We look for another entry. Okay, so that is just it. If you're looking very, very well, you see that we've been having a series of lower highs and lower lows. So we have this, all right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay. So this is what I'm actually looking at for. And this is an interesting zone. This area is an interesting zone. Okay. So that's what I'm looking out for GBPJPY. So, but if the market actually change direction, then we'll know what to get in. So those of us in the Funded Traders group already know what's up. So you get more updates as regards if market shows up with another kind of patterns. So we know what we're going to be doing in GBPJPY. Okay, so that is it for GBPJPY. We'll go to, yeah, the next one we're looking at for is GBPNZD. All right, so yeah, it is. We go to higher time frame, apply our top-down analysis, identify the trend before striking. Yep. All right, GBPNZD has been in an uptrend, so you should be looking out for directions to buy, isn't it? Directions to buy. So on 4 hours time frame, market has been creating a very sweet higher lows and higher highs. So very interesting. It has been repeating pattern from here. All right. So we have this. A break here, then another break. Okay. Okay. Our market want to tap into the zone. So here is a retracement back on this trend line. A retracement, lower high, lower high, lower high. Then here back to this trend line, which is also support. So mad confluence is already going on here. Very mad one going on here. Okay, we go to 30 minutes. So what are we expecting market to do? You already have a break of structure. Market is coming down to tap into the zone. So as a break of structure, we also have a break of trend line. Okay, so in which we're expecting market to continue going up here. So once market opens up, we look at Asian section, see what will happen, or London session, then we get our final entry. All right, so our swing, we've been swing trading GBPNZD. Yeah, this is another swing. Yeah, for a re-entry. I'll target this zone. Yeah, so that is about how many pips? 212 pips, not bad. You know that you don't need to be on every trade in a week. You could just have 1 or 2 setups in a week and you knock down better lots with sense. All right, so that's just, you don't need to be trading every day. Find a perfect setup. If once I have my confirmation on this is a very sweet setup for me, and I can bag a lot of money from it. Yeah, just one pair, one trade, and we're good to go. I can scalp with it, I can swing with it. Yeah, so you don't need to be on every market every day. Not trading is still part of trading. Always remember that. So I don't know who must have taught you rubbish as far you must trade every day. No, every day is not trading day. Okay, not trading is part of trading. You may not have a setup on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You could have set up Thursday, Friday, and you're good to go. Or you could have set up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no setup on Thursday, Friday. Or, it just depends. You may not even have set up in a week. It's very possible. Yeah, you don't have to force the market. Because if you force the market and you lose, who's going to suffer for the loss? You now. So you wouldn't like that. We're not here to actually lose money to the market. We're here to make money from the market, even though we have also risking. But we apply proper risk management, all right? Risking what we can afford to lose, all right? And balance up our psychology. So that is it. So easy peasy. Once I got my confirmation, already have a break. And yeah, so sweet that, okay, this market is going to react to a buy or wait for that confirmation. And the target over 220 pips. Yeah, 220.9 pips. That's cool. Fantastic. Yeah, if you're using a 0.1 lot, you should be having $220, right? If I'm correct. If you're using one standard lot, you should be having $2,200 plus. That is it. Easy peasy. Okay. I told you guys that this video is not going to be long. So I just have two pairs that we're looking at for the weekend. I want you to see what I'm looking at for. If there's a change in direction, those Informal Traders group will get to know. All right. So once you make money this week, don't forget to send me your screenshots on WhatsApp. Many of you already have my WhatsApp number. If you're a new subscriber, you just run into this video. All right. So you know what to do. Turn on the subscription button. Yeah, on your notification, and what's up, so you don't miss any video. You can chat me on WhatsApp, so you can be relating together. So it's not very difficult to make money from the market, but you got to give it your best shots. Be consistent about it. Have the right knowledge. Don't just go go. Have the right mentor to mentor you, or the right academy to mentor you in Forex trading. So don't joke about it. I still remain David Nwoye, the founder of FS Media Forex Academy, mentor to all who have trained thousands of people across 10 countries. All right. So if you want to be part of it, you can always send us a message. All right, guys. Don't forget to use the promo code FS Media 20 to get your funded traders account. Don't joke with it. This period of trading is not that I don't have capital. It's not enough. I don't have capital. Now there's capital made available. Yeah, so a lot of traders excuse back in the days, I don't have capital. $100 I cannot say $100. I cannot say $50. I cannot say $1,000. Then now you have access to capital, 10K, 30K, 90K, 3K, you know. So come on, you can afford it. Start trading, make money from funded traders, or if you have money, you can actually trade with your own money. Always remember, I said this thing to you guys, that when you make money from your funded traders account, don't store money there. Withdraw your profits to fund your real account and trade, to have multiple accounts as a trader. You don't just have one place. Don't store all your tradings in one place. All right. So once you make money from funded traders, you withdraw. All right. Either you withdraw it out to your Naira, your currency, or you withdraw it to a live account where you're still going to trade that money. All right. The choice is yours. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Do have a lovely week and a profitable week as well. Bye.